Hello friends, welcome to the Ekalavya Universities. Today we take up C chapter zone CCZ. Before entering into our study, I want to explain about the virtual classification of students. As you know, many people study programming languages with a diversified interests. They are such as college students, IT professionals, non-IT professionals, hobbyists, software career aspirants, etc. and all that. They have diversified interests. If they have diversified interests, how can we adopt same study plan? If we adopt the same study plan for all types of students, it is not a good idea. That's why I want to make a virtual classification of all people, all students who are studying programming languages, not only C language. This principle is applicable to all other advanced languages even. The first one is software career aspirants who need placement training and other students. First, let us focus on other students. Other students, as I told you, there are different types. College students study for examinations, IT professionals for sake of reference, non-IT professionals to learn programming languages, hobbies, like that. They have different interests. Whoever they may be, if they want to learn and master programming language, then for them I am providing 10 guidelines. 10 guidelines. If they strictly adhere to these 10 guidelines and all that, they'll learn and master programming languages. They may study according to their time availability, convenience, and interest. For them, we cannot put any strict time bound programs and all that because their nature, availability of the time, interest, seriousness, all that are different. That's why simply I am providing 10 guidelines for them, which I am going to explain after this concept. The 10 guidelines are equally applicable to these people also. That means software career aspirants also, the 10 guidelines are valid. These are universal guidelines to learn and master a subject. But as far as software career aspirants are concerned, we are providing placement training. Actually, this system originated for placement training only, software career placement training. These students should work strictly according to a study plan and in time bound, within the time frame, they have to complete their schedules. And not only studying and all that, they should get knowledge, skills, and abilities. Whatever they study and whatever knowledge they acquired and all that, then and there they have to transform them into skills and abilities even. For that purpose, we are adopting a different plan for them. Content is same, whatever content we are providing for other students, content is universal, but only thing is the study plan is different. For these people, we are providing a special study plan by using the same content. That is a special thing. For this purpose, what we did in C chapter zone, chapter 1 and 2, we have transformed as a zero based weekend workshop, online C weekend workshop. Actually, this is zero based. We don't expect any background. If you are a IT student or non-IT student or anybody, you don't bother. Then you start from zero, you learn everything, and just within a weekend, here you have to understand why weekend. Weekend means our implication is 2 clear days. It need not be Saturday and Sunday. Any other 2 clear days, if you are able to devote on this 100% without having any distractions and if you strictly follow these guidelines, and you can complete zero based C workshop. That means at the end of this, you will be in a position to write solid C programs just on the second, within 48 hours of your study. You will be in a position to write solid C programs, or you may call it as C projects. Not only writing, you can understand the formal development of the project, the designing and implementation like a professional. You do that. Just that's why I call it as a weekend wonder that you have to experience. I don't want to describe much about that. So, in order to make you to enjoy this experience, then I have transformed the two chapters as weekend wonder workshops. And here one thing I have to tell you, the content is same. Almost 95% of the content for weekend workshop and chapter 1 and 2 chapters are one and same. But we are providing separate segments. If you are the first category, just we are creating a button here, then you click and immediately go to this zone and work on that. If you are other category, if you want to study leisurely according to your convenience and all that, you study normally only. That only we want to tell you. And here one more thing I have to tell you, not only first and second chapters, and subsequently forthcoming chapters also, some chapters we will transform into workshops. For example, the ninth chapter functions. Actually, the functions chapter we transformed as the uh, weekend wonder workshop C2, second workshop of C is this. In that way, there are totally 20 chapters, and some of the chapters are transformed as workshops. So, periodically, not only acquiring knowledge, not only acquiring concept wise command and all that, you understand and understand the formal procedure of developing C projects and develop it. Then by that you can transform your knowledge into skills as well as abilities. That is the basic intention of this thing, and especially I am telling this group and all that, you must, software career aspirants should study within the time frame. You must understand that, because this is totally different from college oriented studies. In college oriented studies, you always try for getting good marks and all that. Here, your focus is on three things: knowledge, skills, and abilities. For that purpose, you must work on this workshop. Because of that, you can derive many benefits. First thing is, you understand how are the software studies, and how are the time bound programs like placement training and all that you can understand practically. And by completion of this, you can enjoy enormous sense of achievement that I cannot explain. That you can experience it just a matter of 2 days. If you are able to complete this one and all that, it is like a compatibility test. You can understand by yourself. Software studies are like this and all that. Whether I am compatible to these studies or not, you can understand. Nobody can judge that. So this is through this workshop, you can get many benefits. Such benefits we explain in this particular domain and all that. So if you are belong to this group and all that, don't study chapter 1 and 2 and click the button and go to 3W series.